Apple. You see it over there? Now you see it, now you don't. Well, it's one of those companies that, despite the fact that Warren Buffett has sold a little bit because he's rebalancing his portfolio, people will start interpreting that as he doesn't like the company. No, it doesn't work like that. A small exit is a rebalance. If you don't like the company, you can sell the whole damn lot. Okay, in the same way, he just bought some United Healthcare. That gives me more confidence in it having bottomed than anything else. Buffett says something ingenious. He says his time for holding stocks is forever. Well, it's obviously a lie because you only have to look at his portfolios to know he doesn't hold anything forever. But he means something quite important alongside that. The important thing that he means is that he doesn't get panicked and he doesn't get bored. That's the implication of holding things forever. Panic and boredom are the two things that I could give you the best stock in the world, and it could be one which is so blatantly obvious. Let's take Apple as an example, and you'll still mess it up because you will either panic or get bored with it. That's Buffett's genius. He doesn't panic, doesn't get bored. Quality companies, well, they're staring you in the face. He owns them. His portfolio's been open to public scrutiny since forever. People just don't do the obvious because the obvious is too easy. There's an old anecdote of two economists walking down the street, and one of them spots a $5 bill, and he says to the other, look, there's a $5 bill there. You should go pick it up. And the other economist says, don't be stupid. If it was there, somebody would have done it already. That's the problem. Like and follow for more. I'll give you more investment ideas, tips, snippets, and even anecdotes. Thank you.